Tesla Gigafactory Texas builds its half-millionth vehicle. Tesla's Gigafactory Texas has officially rolled out its 500,000th vehicle, marking a significant achievement in the factory's history and reinforcing its role as a central hub in Tesla's vehicle manufacturing network. The milestone was shared via Twitter X by the official Gigafactory's account. "Congratulations to the Giga Texas team for building 500K vehicles," the company's X post read. "Congratulations to the Giga Texas team for building 500K vehicles." As could be seen in Tesla Manufacturing's post, the Gigafactory Texas team celebrated the milestone by posting for a photograph with the facility's half-millionth unit, a white Tesla Model Y. The team held balloons that spelled 500K on its commemorative photo. Giga Texas, located near Austin, has ramped its operations since its launch, producing Tesla's Cybertruck and Model Y. Crossing the half-million vehicle mark solidifies the facility's importance to Tesla's overall operations, especially considering the fact that the Model Y is the company's best-selling vehicle. While Giga Texas is just producing the Model Y and the Cybertruck for now, the facility is also poised to produce the Cybercab. The Cybercab is expected to be Tesla's highest-volume vehicle, with Elon Musk estimating that the company would be producing about 2 million units of the autonomous two-seater per year. The Cybercab is unlike any vehicle that is currently produced today, and its production would be quite extraordinary. As per Elon Musk's previous comments, the Cybercab's manufacturing line would not look like an automotive production line at all. Instead, Musk noted that the Cybercab's line in Gigafactory Texas would resemble a high-speed consumer electronics line instead. "We do want to scale up production to new heights, obviously, with the Cybercab. Cybercab is not just revolutionary car design, it's also a revolutionary manufacturing process. So I guess we probably don't talk about that enough. But if you've seen the design of the Cybercab line, it doesn't look like a normal car manufacturing line. It looks like a really high-speed consumer electronics line," Musk previously stated. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.